Vivo is currently working on the X200 Ultra, its absolute flagship smartphone for 2025. The Vivo X200 Ultra features the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip with up to 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM. A recent leak by Tipster Digital Chat Station revealed that the X200 Ultra will be arrived with a 50-megapixel primary camera, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, use Sony's new LYT818 sensor, a 50-megapixel telephoto camera, and a 200-megapixel periscope telephoto lens. A 50-megapixel selfie camera. The X200 Ultra will capture 4K 120fps video on all cameras. It features a 6.82-inch BOE x 2K resolution display featuring a micro-quad curved design, the E7 LTPO AMOLED display with up to 120Hz refresh rate. It packs a massive 6,000 mAh battery capacity. It also supports 100W wired fast charging, 50W wireless fast charging. It is likely that the X200 Ultra could be priced at around 5,500 yuan in China. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.